Hello everyone. So I'm going to do a quick recording for you to play through a song. We're gonna do You Are My All in All. I think we've already done the song, but the melody side of it I haven't taught you. So I'm gonna teach you just a simple melody and play through the verse the way we do it at OBCA. But it's mainly the canon style. So the melody goes like this. Now you can decide to add chords on your left as well. So that'll be the next version I'll teach. I'll show you how to add chords on your left hand whilst playing the melody on your right hand. But for a very simple way, I'm teaching just the melody of it, and then we'll go through the verse. So I'll play through again. I'm going to play through one more time, but a bit slower for you. Okay. Okay, one more time. Okay. Then the verse, you know the verse already. Start on the 6. You are my strength when I am weak. You are the treasure that I seek. You are my all. Then 6. Decide to add more color to it. So the chorus itself too, you can play the canon side. Okay. up in the next lesson. But the chorus, the canon also works for the chorus. This is a simple breakdown of Jesus, Lamb of God. As a part one, I'll come behind it and add more color to build it up. But we need to take it little by little, as this is a beginner's class. All right. God bless you.